Okay, so for this part of the assignment, what we're doing is we're creating a fusion table. So in order to create my fusion table, what I'm going to do is I'm going to concatenate the address function in order so that I can geocode it later. So I'm going to put in the exact address here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to concatenate the address rows. So it's going to be street address, city, state, and postal code. Alright, and I'm going to do this and extend this down the row. Okay, so I'm going to save this change. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Google Drive. And I'm going to create a new Google Drive and a fusion table. In order to do this, I need to upload my Excel file into the Google Fusion table. So I'll select extra credit data, go to next, check and make sure all of my data is in there, next, and finish. So Google already recognizes that my exact address data is a location. So all I need to do now is map the exact addresses. Now Google is geocoding the addresses so that it can populate the maps function with the addresses now. Okay, so in order to change the features of these little dots that you see on the screen that mark all of the properties, you can see all of the properties on the screen, I'm going to use buckets. And how I do that is I'll do this, go to buckets, and I'll divide this into multiple buckets, and what I'm going to divide it based on is sales price per square foot. And I'm going to use this range here and divide it into 5 buckets. And see, you can see here the different buckets of sales price ranges. So buckets from 71.26 to 243.386 are per dollars per square foot are in yellow, while 243 to 386 to 415.512 are in green, and so on and so on. And now when you click on these different spots, you can see all the information about them. And that's it for Google Fusion Tables, a unique tool that allows you to pinpoint different points on a map using Excel and integrating the map function of Google with Excel. So, a very interesting tool to see how we can do these things in the future.